So in this EQ Bank tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to open up a joint account here on EQ Bank. So once EQ Bank is opened up, I want you to go to the dashboard page right here. And go to the top right and press on the three horizontal lines. Once you're on this page right here, scroll down to where it says featured products. Under featured products, towards the bottom, it says open a joint account. You guessed it, go ahead and select that. Then on this page right here, you can go ahead and read more about the accounts here. So you actually have to go ahead and open up a personal account, joint account, or convert a joint account. In this case, you want to go ahead and open up a joint account. So press on that option right in the middle. It'll then redirect you to this screen right here where you can go ahead and read all about the joint account. So the interest rate, you can change the account name, how you intend to use the account. You can also scroll down or accept the changes right here. So if this all looks good to you, go ahead and press next at the bottom and then proceed with the steps this way of opening up a joint account. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how to open up a joint account on EQ Bank. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.